Looking for a dependable replacement power cable that fits your HDS, Mark, Elite, or Hook device? This 3-foot, 2-wire power cord delivers just what you need, power only, no extras. It's designed specifically to match those models, ensuring a perfect fit every time. When it comes to replacing parts, getting the right fit matters more than you might think. Using a generic cable can cause compatibility issues or even damage your device. This power cord is crafted to meet the exact specifications required, so you won't have to worry about whether it will work. One customer shared their experience, saying this was the exact part needed for their device, and it worked flawlessly. That kind of feedback shows the value of choosing the right replacement part. No guesswork, no frustration. What you get is a straightforward solution that restores your device's power without hassle. The 3-foot length offers enough reach for most setups, while the 2-wire design keeps things simple and effective. It's a no-nonsense replacement that gets the job done. If you've been hunting for a power cord that fits your specific model, this one is worth a look. It's clearly labeled and easy to identify, so you know exactly what you're getting before you buy. That clarity helps avoid the common pitfall of ordering the wrong part. Don't let a faulty or missing power cable slow you down. This replacement cord brings your device back to life quickly and reliably. Whether it's for home or professional use, having the right power cord makes all the difference. Try this replacement power cable when you're ready to restore power without the hassle of returns or compatibility headaches. It's a simple, effective fix that keeps your equipment running smoothly. Investing in the correct replacement part saves time and frustration. This power cord is a small but essential component that supports your device's performance. If you need a reliable power connection for your HDS, Mark, Elite, or Hook device, this cable fits the bill perfectly.